In this section, we will talk about Introduction to Tkinter. We will start with the Introduction to GUI Programming, where we will see the difference between CLI based and GUI based programming. Then we will discuss the role of Tkinter in GUI programming, and then we will see the architecture of Tkinter, and at the end we will see alternatives of Tkinter. About GUI programming. Graphical User Interface or GUI programming allows developer to create an interactive application that has text, label, buttons, images, icons, etc. GUI based applications are easy to understand and look attractive. Due to this reason, end users prefer GUI based applications over command line based application. In order to explain you the difference between CLI based and GUI based application, I have created this application. This is a simple ATM machine application, and you can interact with the interface using command or using text only. So this is how you can interact with the CLI based application. Now let's go ahead and see the same application in GUI. So you can clearly see the difference between both. The CLI based application look more attractive and user don't require any special knowledge to understand the interface. So we will perform the same task that we have performed in the CLI based application. Alright guys, so I hope you have understood the difference between CLI based and GUI based application. Our next topic is role of Tkinter. Tkinter package is the standard graphical user interface toolkit which comes with the Python installation file for Windows, and it is supported by all the GUI based operating systems like Macintosh, all the versions of Linux and Raspberry Pi. The appearance of Tkinter widget depends on the operating system. The same widget on Windows may appear different on Linux, Mac and other operating systems, but the functionality will remain same. Tkinter was written by Guido van Rossum, who is the father of Python as well, and Steen Lamhorn, and later it was revised by Frederick. Tkinter software is free to use for both individual and commercial use, and it is released under a Python license. Tkinter architecture. Tkinter architecture comprises of three things: TCL, TK and TTK. TCL stands for Tool Command Line. It is an interpreted programming language that was created in 1988 by John Osterhout. It can be embedded into an application and more features can be added to an existing program. TK stands for Toolkit, which is an extension of TCL language which allows graphical user interface. TK supplies a wide variety of widgets that can be used to create an application. TTK stands for Tkinter Toolkit. It is a new member to the TK family which supplies an improved version of TK widgets. As if now it extends support to a few widgets only. Also, it contributes in improving the user experience on the application. Alternatives of Tkinter. Tkinter can be a good starting point for developing GUI based application, but this is not the end of the world. You can always go ahead and explore more Python based libraries that can help you develop GUI based applications. Few of those libraries are pyqt5, pysimpleGU, dearpygui, toga, flex, etc. With this we have completed the introduction to Tkinter. In the next video we will see how to install Tkinter on Windows, Mac and Linux operating system.